Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RWLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, as we head into the weekend, wanted to get some things updated here. So the first update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right here at $6 and what was that, about 25 cents was that area of resistance, but the price got up above it, and at that point is where you would want to see it act as support. And to give full credit where credit's due, the price did a great job of acting as support. In fact, you could throw this right into a textbook in terms of a great example of resistance then acting as support. So going forward, 625, definitely that ideal level that you would want to see hold strong. You also have the purple line here. Again, a classic example of the power of charts. What a coincidence, right where it decided to bounce from, right off that 50-period moving average, which even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of and is a very famous area within the world of charts. So again, going to next week, 625, and then that 50-period moving average, going to be those two key levels of support. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line for now as it's no longer relevant. Now, what about levels of resistance? Well, the first level of resistance is one I talked about in yesterday's video, and you can see that is right where the price was rejected from a couple times. Now, the price did temporarily get up above it right there, but after the price fell back below it, it immediately went into acting as resistance again. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything on Monday, the price essentially closed right at that level, so it's going to be able to resume its battle right away with it. So definitely want to get one more area of resistance mapped out in the event the price can push through it. And the next key overall level of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there around $7.55. So all in all, very nice closeout to the week. And not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see, but overall, nice movement. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.